How to change background on InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove or change your background of your video on InShot or using InShot video editor. Now the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You want to simply open up your InShot video editor and simply select the video option. From here, first you want to select the video that you wish to add to the background, or you want to select a picture that you wish to add to the background. So first you want to select it, right? I'll just select new option and then I'll just select a quick background here. I'll just select this picture here and then tap on it, and you can see now you can increase the length if you want. Once you do so, what you want to do is you want to select the peep option at the screen that you can see, peep option. Once you select it, now you can select the video or picture that you wish to. I'll just select a quick picture here. Once you do so, here what you want to do is you want to select it. Now once you select it, you can increase or decrease the size. Now select the video that you want to add and remove the background from. Now once you add it, what you want to do is you want to head into the option that says chroma. Once you tap on chroma, it'll ask you to select the part that you wish to remove. Just select the background that you wish to remove. As you can see here on the screen, you can increase the strength if you want, or you can increase the shadow if you want. And once you do so, here you can see it's been added and you can see the background has been removed. Simply tap on OK. Now if you want, you can, once you do so, you can select the size. If you want, you can resize it, and once you resize it, if you play the video, you can see the background has been removed. So this way you can change the background on InShot. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.